Black Caucus said the Supreme Court has thrown into question its own legitimacy. Is this a rogue court?
This is not a normal court.
President Joe Biden today ending a press conference on the Supreme Court's decision to throw out affirmative action on a contemplative note.
The court's decision ends a policy that has been in place since 1978. Affirmative action refers to a series of policies that are designed to include groups in places where they're underrepresented. For years, that has meant by considering race in college applications.
However, with today's decision, the nation's highest court, citing the 14th Amendment, says that's not constitutional. Affirmative action systems are in place all around the world. They are designed to help address historic and systemic inequalities.
It's even survived a prior Supreme Court case from 20 years ago involving the University of Michigan. But today, suits against different schools brought it down. Here's Bree Jackson with the details from Capitol Hill.
The 6-3 decision upends the policy that many universities and schools have used for decades to decide who to admit into the schools. This is the largest reversal for the High Court since it overturned Roe v. Wade last summer. The justices decided on two similar cases, one against Harvard University and the other against the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. Both cases brought by the conservative-leaning Students for Fair Admission. The group argued that those schools' policies discriminated against white and Asian American students. The ruling means that any school using race as an admissions factor will have to stop immediately. Many will turn to other race-neutral ways to boost diversity in higher education, and it will be up to the schools to create and implement those policies. 9 states banned colleges from using race in admissions. Educators say the number of Black and Latino students enrolled in universities dropped and have never recovered. Lawyers for the student group agreed that diversity is necessary, but believe schools can come up with a better way to create it. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.
Now, we here at News Center Maine have reached out to a number of colleges and universities across the state. And from Bates to the University of Maine, every school has expressed disappointment in this decision, many vowing to find other ways to preserve diversity in their institutions.